When most people shop for clothes, they head straight to a clothing store. At first glance, it seems like the easiest and most convenient option. Rows of garments are displayed beautifully, and there are countless styles to browse. However, what many people do not realize is that when you shop for ready made clothing, you're actually limited to what the store has available to sell. You are limited by the styles that the manufacturer has chosen to produce. You are limited by the colors that are currently in stock. You are limited by the prints and patterns that happen to be available that season. Most importantly, you are limited by the sizes and measurements that have been mass produced for the public. The reality is that no two bodies are exactly alike. Many people struggle to find clothing that fits perfectly. A pair of pants may fit comfortably around the hips but feel too tight around the waist. A blouse may fit well across the shoulders, but the armholes may be too small or uncomfortable. A dress may be the right length, but too loose in some areas and too tight in others. Even after finding something that is close to the right fit, alterations are often necessary. For some individuals, finding the correct size can be even more challenging. Body shapes vary greatly, and standard sizing often fails to accommodate these differences. As a result, shoppers spend time searching through racks, trying on multiple sizes, and sometimes leaving empty handed because nothing fits quite right. This is where buying fabric becomes a much better option. When you purchase fabric instead of ready made clothing, an entirely new world of possibilities open up. You are no longer restricted by what a clothing manufacturer decided to create. Instead, you have the freedom to choose exactly what you want. You can select from a wide variety of colors, prints, textures, and fabric types. Whether you prefer bold patterns, elegant florals, classic solids, or unique artistic designs, there is something to match your personal taste and vision. More importantly, fabric allows you to create clothing that is made specifically for you. Your garments can be designed to complement your body shape, your lifestyle, and your individual sense of style. The fit can be customized to your exact measurements, providing comfort and confidence that ready made clothing often cannot achieve. Buying fabric encourages creativity and self expression. Your imagination can run wild as you explore countless design possibilities. You can create outfits that are unique, fashionable, and truly reflective of your personality. Instead of wearing what everyone else is wearing, you have the opportunity to wear something that is distinctly your own. If you are ready to explore your fashion creativity and discover the endless possibilities that fabric offers, come and visit Designers Prints Fabric Store. We are passionate about helping our customers turn their ideas into reality. With a wide selection of beautiful fabrics, colors, prints, and designs, we can help you find the perfect material for your next fashion project. Visit us at B5 second floor Shopsville, Green Hills in San Juan City. At Designers Prints, your creativity has no limits. Let your imagination soar and create clothing that is truly made for you.